maybe getting about that time to spend a few days spring cleaning the house, maybe shampooing that's an awful lot of work. Shampooing carpet, tidying up storage spaces, maybe do some power washing outside.
Right, yeah, but there is something you can do sitting down, I
Okay.
think, right? You may be neglecting the space where you spend the most time. Your phone. Consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker explains that deep cleaning of smartphones keeps them safe and can ensure they last longer.
Well, just like a well-used couch can gather crumbs, our smartphones can gather some crumbs, of course. And if it's been a while since you've really cleaned out the storage from your phone, springtime is a great time to do it. Over time, our phones gather and store bits and bytes of information. Unused apps not only take up space, but they could be tracking your moves online and maybe even in real life. Do an inventory of the apps on your phone. If you see some you don't use, don't even remember downloading, now's a good time to delete them. Check your phone's storage. If you see any apps that use a lot of space, most of that is just data. The easiest way to reclaim that storage is by deleting the app and then reinstalling it. You won't lose photos and posts, but all of that space will be freed up on your phone. If it's been a while since you cleaned up phone storage, open Settings and you'll probably get a recommendation to review large attachments. On this phone that's over 3.5 gigabytes, review them and delete what you don't need to keep. Go into your Messages app. You may have pages of text you no longer need, like all those two-factor authentication codes. Select the ones you don't need, delete them. Hop into the Photos app on iPhone, scroll down to Duplicates. iOS shows what photos are saved twice or more. You can delete or merge the duplicate images. And if you really want to get busy, go through your contacts. Scroll all the way down where the iPhone will show you duplicates. Tap on it to merge those contacts. And if you ever need to reach them, you don't have to guess which one to choose. Not only will you have more space on your phone, it will work faster and the battery will last longer. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.